it's me, Allegra. I'm super excited today because I just got some new Walmart makeup and I figured we could do a testing new makeup video today and try everything out. So I did pick up the new e.l.f. Niacinamide primer. Now this is said to help reduce pore size, so you're going to have a smoother complexion and you're also going to have reduced pores, supposedly. Hopefully, let's see what happens. And it also is the Power Grip formulation, the e.l.f. Power Grip. So it's just Power Grip infused with niacinamide. So doesn't that sound amazing? Because the Power Grip is all that in a bag of chips. So I do love the pink color. This is beautiful packaging. So let's go ahead now. I also did get a brow product, but I'm going to put this on first, let it sink in, and we'll do the brows. And I got a few different things here. I got this I can't wait to try. This is from Wet n Wild. It's called Hello Halo, and it's a blush and a highlighter, but it looks like an amazing dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, that Pinkgasm blush, that viral makeup that everybody just loves, that pink with shimmer in it. So that looks really pretty. I can't wait to try that. It does have the gold reflex in the pink, so that's just such a stunning combination. I got also a new lip from Wet n Wild, so we'll just go ahead and try everything out and see what happens. I also got this. I would love to try this too, but this is a new primer from Wet n Wild, but this is a new primer. So what should we do? One side and one side? One side the e.l.f. and one side the Wet n Wild? Because I would love to try them both. Because this one here says it's a primer, but it's also a finishing powder. It just sounds just so intriguing. It says it's going to smooth and condition and up to 16-hour wear. So I would love to put them both together. Let's see what happens. Let's just play and see what happens, right? So this here is the e.l.f. primer. So it is pink and it's just, isn't that pretty? I just, colors uplift me like so much. Nothing is more uplifting to me than colors. Are you guys the same way? So this feels so good. It does feel incredibly soothing. And my skin actually was dry. My skin was oily, but something is going on that it got, well, I did get into a bunch of skincare. I've been using Retin-A. So I do feel like my skin it was feeling dry and tight today. But this is the e.l.f. Feels amazing. So what I'll do though is I'll use that Wet n Wild powder. I'll use that as a finishing touch today because I don't really want to mess with this. And I want to give you a true assessment of how this primer looks alone under the foundation. So it is definitely that wonderful tackiness. Do you guys love that feeling? I actually do love it. It's like, it feels, I don't know, it just feels so good. I feel like it's giving me confidence. Like I know, wow, my makeup is going to stay in place because it feels almost like, it kind of feels like glue, doesn't it? But in a good way, in a good way. What do you guys like better? I've been using this lately, and this is my e.l.f. Putty Primer at the Dunkin' Donuts. So in comparison, this has got to be a godsend when you're super oily, this Power Grip from e.l.f. But let's keep it moving, and I want to really try out, I also did get a new brow pencil. And this is from Revlon. This is a micro brow pencil, and they did have a soft black shade. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, this is dark brown. Did I get the wrong one? Because I could have sworn there was a black one, and that's why I bought it. Okay, I don't know about this because usually when it says brown, it has a red undertone, and I just can't deal with that. That's not for me. So actually, let me try it on my wrist. Oh, no. Okay, it doesn't have a red. Hopefully, we'll see. On my wrist, it doesn't, but hopefully on my eye, it'll stay, because I would love to have a dupe for my Benefit brow products that I love so much. So hopefully, so far this is looking beautiful. It is definitely no red undertone. Sometimes I don't see the red undertone in real life, and then I'll watch back with you guys, and I'm like, oh my god, it turns orange on my skin. Does that happen to you guys too? I just can't deal with it. So maybe it's because of my hair color. My natural hair color is like it does have red undertone. It's a dark brown, I guess, or a medium brown with red undertone, with red highlights. I used to have highlights in my hair. So maybe that's what the brow product is mimicking. But this is matching beautifully, thank goodness. Because I had to do quite a bit of work to get my brows to look right. If you saw my last testing out Walmart makeup video, and I used a Maybelline brow product, and it was so orange. And then I had to do a lot of work. I had to use a lot of different products. I just had to keep going and going. I didn't show it. I didn't, it took me like 20 minutes to get them to look right. But as you guys can see, hopefully, this is a beautiful, thank goodness, because I really don't like purchasing expensive brow products if I don't have to. And this, nope, this is a good one, you guys. If you have dark hair like me, if you have that same issue with the undertone not being right for your complexion, this is amazing. And look at how quickly and easily I was able to fill in my brows. I like to use one product. I know some people use like four, 3 or 4, at least 2 products. No, I don't have time for that, and I don't want to. I don't have time for it. I really don't. If you have time for 3 or 4 brow products, weddings and things like that, sure. Wedding makeup artist, but every day, who has time, right? So this is good, 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 good. I'm so glad that I got this. Again, this is the Revlon Color Stay Micro Brow. And I got the shade dark brown. This is going in my makeup kit, thank goodness. Because this, for me, the brows on and some concealer, a little powder, I feel, and of course a lip. But I feel put together, I feel amazing. I feel good about myself. Let's see here. I do have this. This is something else that I've been really wanting to dip into and reach into and play with. This is the e.l.f. Camo Color Corrector, and this is the blue shade. Now, blue color corrector is amazing. If you have a foundation that is too warm, maybe too yellow, too orange toned, using a blue color corrector will take down the orange. So, you can get that foundation to match your complexion better. So actually, you know what? I have this. Okay, I'll use this in a moment, but I also did get the new e.l.f. It's another color corrector, but it's in a peach tone. So this is great for covering those dark circles under your eyes. So actually, let me put some of this on, and then we'll put on the foundation, and I'll show you how I color correct with the blue. But here is the orange. Now this is very much more orange, more peach tone than I'm accustomed to. But hopefully will work out for me. Maybe because I'm so light though. If you are a deeper complexion, this is probably a great shade. It looks like I got punched in the eye, you guys. Oh, it's so dark. Look. I look guys, my husband has been watching Walking Dead. He never watched it, so he's on like season 11. It took him like a week. He's watched day and night just Walking Dead, and I'm listening to it. It's just, I can't watch it. Sometimes I peek over and see it, and I'm like, oh, good Lord. I'm like, what? And I feel so bad because he's got Roxy on the couch with him watching. And I'm like, this dog is going to be traumatized. Thank goodness she's not a person that she understands what he's watching, because it looks horrific. I mean, it doesn't get any worse than The Walking Dead. What I saw tonight, I can't repeat. I actually did kind of see it because I try not to watch, but like my desk area is in the office, I can see what's going on with him and the TV. So it's like, oh God, guys, how do people watch? Do you guys watch Walking Dead? Okay, here I have this foundation that is just who knows what happened here. So I'm just going to take some of this and put it on a little plate like this. And so here we go. I'm just going to take a little bit. Let's see. Hopefully I didn't just blind you. Okay, and now I'm going to take some of the color corrector. Now, you can mix this on your face, too. A lot of times I do this right on my face. But to be super professional today, I will do it like so. Okay, let's mix this up and see what happens. So here you're going to see, you see that? So yeah, mix it in, and there you go. It is now not as orange. My skin, seriously, definitely looks 100% smoother, and it has to be from the primer because I didn't use anything else new. I have used that foundation before. Those are the only 2 variables. And I mean, I did use that color corrector, but I'm not really speaking on that, although that did seem to do a good job covering the circles really good. But my skin just looks so much smoother, and I'm going to put it down to that e.l.f. primer. That seriously could be my new favorite e.l.f. primer. Have you guys tried it yet? It seems amazing to me. Now, I did get this new concealer. This is from Wet n Wild. It's called Mega Last Incognito. So, it's very bright, but let's give it a shot and see how it performs. It's very creamy. I was testing I was in the market, maybe not, for a new concealer today. And I was trying out concealers at Ulta, and oh my god, they had me looking so bad. I was trying NARS concealer. I tried a few different. I tried the NARS. I was gonna get it, and then I just looked so horrible. I gotta tell you, this right here already is so much creamier and so much more beautiful than that NARS that I put on. I went to Ulta tonight, and before I went to Walmart, and I was I was trying makeup. I didn't really see anything that I wanted, but I did try out that. I tried a new shade in the NARS concealer because I thought maybe a new shade would be better for me. So I was trying different shades. And this, honest to God, this is 100% more creamy, gives more coverage than the NARS concealers that I were trying out tonight. They were so, maybe because they were testers, I don't know, it was very dry, really accentuated my under eye circle, my under eye lines. And this one definitely is so much more creamier, so much more moisturizing. It feels so good. It's spreading evenly and effortlessly on my skin, whereas the NARS one that I tried tonight was dry, tugging, and it was like a hot mess. I look like I actually had to wash my face. It was so bad. I had to get it off me. Wow, this is seriously stunning. Wow. I'm so glad I got this. I guess I got the lightest shade, but it's beautiful, creamy. It feels so good, spreads so easily and effortless. Oh my god, just a dream. Wow. Okay, let me go ahead and quickly set this, and then we can try out that blush, and I have a new lip, and we can try out the Mikayla Mascara that is so controversial, the L'Oreal mascara. So much controversy. We'll try that out together. I did try it already, but we'll try it again. I didn't try it with you guys, so that's the key here. And guys, I'm just using the e.l.f. Halo setting powder. Such a good one. And I'm just going to let that bake a minute. And while we're waiting, let's try out this Wet n Wild blush. So let's go ahead and let's put on first the highlighter. So I'm going to just take an eyeshadow brush and just, work it into the highlighter. And let's see how it applies. What do you beauties think? It does give that wet look. And then let's go ahead and try the blush to see if this would be a great dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm just going to take my brush and let's see if this looks anything like Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, look at that. That does look like Pinkasm. Wow. It's subtle, but I hope you guys can see it, but in real life it does look just like Pinkasm. It's beautiful. So I'm loving how that's looking, and I'm just going to put on some of that Wet n Wild powder, that finishing touch powder. So here it is. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on, and let's see how it looks. So this is supposed to give you up to 16 hours wear makeup. That's awesome. Oh wow, that's definitely looks like we baked again, you guys. Wow, but I love it. I love it. And it's very smooth. If you like a brightened under eye, this would be amazing. But of course, if you use a brush, it'll come out much more diffused. So I'm gonna have to go back on my blush now. I wasn't expecting that, but it's awesome. Let's just do a quick eye, and I gotta show you that mascara, the Mikayla mascara that there's so much drama about. But let's just do a really quick eye. I'm just gonna take an eyeliner and kind of just smudge this out a bit. Put a little neutral shade into the crease. And I just have to show you this L'Oreal telescopic mascara again. I did a shorts, but I'm just to show you guys here. It is unbelievable. Where did I just put it? Okay, here it is. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. And this is the telescopic lift. So this is the one that Jeffree Star mascara review, the whole 9 yards. Now, I think this mascara is phenomenal, but did Mikayla add faux lashes? What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I don't know. I think she probably added a filter, and the filter kind of bumped up the lashes because those filters, like, they put makeup on you, they do the whole 9 yards. So she probably came out with a TikTok filter that, did you guys see they have a Kendall Jenner filter? And the whole filter is like smooth skin and fake lashes. So she probably had on the Kendall Jenner filter. Okay, first of all, I don't have any lashes. So when I first put this on, I was like, oh my god. How in the world, do you guys see that? How in the world do I have lashes now? Because my lashes had just, I had no lashes. And now, I hope you guys can see that. This is an amazing mascara. It lengthens, it thickens, it does everything. That's one coat. So, was Mikayla lying? You know, guys, I don't know. Because this mascara is all that in a bag of chips. Like, it really is all that. And that's one coat. I mean, who knows how many coats did she put on? Did she curl her lashes after? Like that makeup pack where you curl your lashes after you put on mascara. I seriously have never seen a mascara like this. And I've tried them all high end, low end, you know. What's low end, you know, anyway. Well, you know, I've tried a lot of mascaras. Never seen anything like this before. I don't even think you need fake lashes with these. So do you guys see a difference? Let me know if you picked this up because I think it's unbelievable. It's not just, somebody was saying, oh, it's just for drama. It's just for, you know, to make viral video. No, I don't think so. This stuff is amazing. This stuff is amazing and it's vegan now. I do believe it is now a vegan formulation. Now, I was watching a video the other day and someone took eyeshadow and used it as blush and they were saying how eyeshadow is much more pigmented than the average blush. So let me go ahead and try that out if that's the case. That is very pigmented. This is the Kimchi eyeshadow. And this eyeshadow also does come with a shimmer. Now, one side is a pink matte and then one side is a shimmer. Now, when I was at Ulta tonight, they had a product new from Too Faced called Wet Topper, I believe it's called. It's supposed to make your skin look wet, but it was just a highlighter like this. And it gives the wet look. And it was all sold out. So I might have got it. But I was trying to talk to myself. I said, no, Allegra, you know it's just a pink. It looks just like a pink highlighter. I said, you know you must have some sort of pink highlighter at home. And this is the exact look that it gave. So I'm glad I didn't get it. But now, you know, to be honest with you, my skin feels dusty again. It feels dry and dusty again. So I'm going to give myself a nose spritz. So, guys, okay, I do have this lip here. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. It's acting wonky again. So this is from Wet n Wild. It's called Lock and Shine, and this is a dupe for that Chanel product that I used to have and I loved it. But it's one side is matte and then the gloss, and the gloss locks in the matte side and it is budge proof. Hopefully we're gonna get the same effect from this. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of this NYX Coffee lip liner. And then here is the Wet n Wild lipstick. This is new. I'm very excited to try this. It says it has 12 hours wear. Is that possible? Oh, it has a nice, beautiful doe foot applicator. Oh, it's just hugging my lips so nicely. It feels so creamy and moisturizing. Wasn't expecting that. A lot of times when you put on a matte lipstick, you expect that dry, tight feeling, but it immediately feels creamy and, oh, it feels really good. Okay, let's put on the gloss. It feels like it's going to be budge proof. Oh, this is beautiful, you guys. I'm not sure the color that I got. Let me try to find it here. This is the Mega Last Lock and Shine. It feels incredible. It feels exactly like this. It feels more stronger though, the matte side, the long-lasting side. Oh, this is called Lotus Petal. I hope you can see it. It's definitely stunning. It is absolutely gorgeous. I hope it translates because I think a lot of times, sometimes natural makeup doesn't always translate good with lighting and things like that. In real life, this is beautiful. This is definitely an amazing product. I found so many amazing products today. New makeup at Walmart. You guys, I am so in shock. I'm actually reaching for my drugstore makeup, my Walmart makeup over high end, seriously, because it's just amazing. So thank you, Penny, so much for coming and spending time with me today. And I'm testing out new Walmart makeup 2023. Let me know if you've tried any of these yourself. Let me know any of your new makeup favorites down below. I would love to try them out in a future video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found something that you'd like to try for yourself. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you dolls are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!